doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. Today we're opening up not one, but 2 boxes by Sipsby. So Sipsby is a tea subscription, but the boxes we're opening today are one of several special themed boxes they're launching this spring and summer. So each of these boxes has a theme, which we'll see soon. So I think this is super great and fun. If you love tea, definitely check Sipsby out. I've opened their boxes many times on my channel. So they have a subscription service that is $15 a month. I have a promo code. I believe I'll double check that it's still active, but it will get you $5 off your first box. This is not an affiliated code, it's just to help you guys out. So normally in the subscription you get between 15 to 16 teas per month. So I will link one of my past videos of that down below if you're interested in subscribing. But today we're opening up these one-time purchase special edition boxes. So let's get started. The boxes look like their subscription box does. Super cute. I don't know what one's what. They were very kind. They emailed me and I got to pick out the themes to try. So let's see what this is. So first when I open it up, this is what it looks like, by the way. It says, made for you. And then it says, try your first Sipsby box or share this card with a friend. And there's a code here for $5 off. So I'll leave this down below because I know this will definitely work. I'll leave mine down below as well because this does have an expiration date. So yep, you get your first box for $10 and it is all personalized tea. So when you join, you fill out a profile and the teas will be set to your liking. So you can let them know if you like caffeinated tea, non-caffeinated, a mix of both. And then they'll go through all these flavors so you can let them know what you like or if you want something sometimes or often. It is very useful. So it's definitely personalized. I've seen some other unboxings, they're always completely different than mine, so I know they put a lot of thought and care into their boxes. So the first special edition box we're opening today is the energizing tea box. Of course I picked this one because I am always after that caffeine. I have some in front of me right now. I had to take a sip. So this box is made for high energy. Kiss those foggy, drowsy days goodbye because you've got the energizing tea box on your side. This box is packed with teas to help improve focus and mental clarity while keeping you calm, grounded, and ready to face the day. Sip them in the morning or throughout the day for a steady and non-jittery boost of energy. So we have tea by 4 different companies, so 4 different teas. So this is very similar to the setup of their regular boxes. So on here it'll talk about the tea company, like the flavors, how much caffeine is in them, and also gives a promo code, so that is great. If you're interested in promo codes for any of these, just let me know in the comment section. But let's start with this one. This is Zest Tea Blue Lady High Octane Tea. I don't know why I said key. As much caffeine as coffee. There's 4 of these here. And on the back it says, the rush without the grind. Our blends have as much caffeine per cup as coffee and contain L-theanine, an amino acid found naturally in tea that helps promote a calm and steady alertness. And it gives you the ingredients, and also the caffeine level is 155 milligrams per cup. And you use boiling water and steep for 4 to 5 minutes. It's made with flowery orange, pico black tea, tea extract, hibiscus, natural passion fruit flower, orange peel, cornflower petals, and natural lemon flavor. And this won an award in 2015 by the World Tea Expo for Best New Product. And it says pretty much the same thing on here. It is coffee level caffeine, and there's a 25% off code. Get ready for a jolt. Zest is the tea industry's answer to a coffee level cuppa. Try it hot or chilled. It is very hot where I live, so I am all about the chilled, like iced teas and coffees these days. Let's move on to the next one. Again, we have 4 of this kind. This is by Miracle Tree, super caffeinated moringa infusion green tea, lemon, and ginger. This is what the packet looks like. On the back it says super caffeinated. It has 150 milligrams per tea bag. And the ingredients are moringa, dried leaves, green tea, ginger root, lemon pieces, sweet fennel, natural lemon flavor, and caffeine tea extract. Sounds so good. I love green tea and lemon together. Yum. So again, this is super caffeinated. This moringa energy infusion contains 155 milligrams of organic caffeine tea extract, making it the perfect coffee replacement, providing an energy boost without jitters or crash. And there's a 33% off code here. Ooh, I think I may have tried this one before. So we again have 4 packets of the Palmberry Black by High Calf Teas. Get a better buzz, fine black tea blended with an extra boost of caffeine. 1 round tea bag by the Republic of Tea. So it has more caffeine than coffee, it says. It says it has 130 milligrams of caffeine. Enjoy this environmentally friendly, round, unbleached tea bag free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. Steep the tea bag for 3 to 5 minutes. Use boiling water, nice on ice. And the ingredients are black tea, green tea extract, licorice, natural pomegranate, and blueberry flavor. And there's a code here for buy 3, get 1 free. And again, it has very high caffeine, like all of these do. Fine black tea with juicy flavors of pomegranate and blueberry, perfect for a fruit-filled energy buzz without the added sugar. It has even more caffeine than black tea. And then we have one more type of tea. So we have 16 teas total, 4 of each. So this is the last one by Davidson's Organics, Energize, aids in boosting energy levels. It's an organic herbal supplement. This is what the packaging looks like. On the back it says, Davidson's Energize blend aims to provide natural, balanced rejuvenation with lasting power. It makes 8 fluid ounces. It's a proprietary blend of organic yerba mate leaf, organic green tea, organic ashwagandha root, organic guayusa leaf. This one is a little bit difficult to pronounce items. Spearmint, organic Gouda cola leaf, organic licorice root, and natural flavor. So that's it there. Sorry, my pronunciation of some things is probably very off. And on here it says this is high caffeine. It aims to promote balance between mind, body, and spirit. This blend is intended to help fight fatigue and anxiety and improve concentration, and there is a 20% off code. I love this box. I'm all about caffeine. I'm not even gonna lie, I love it. It really helps me get through days, and I can't wait to try these. I have tried this one and it is good, but I have not tried any of the others, so I can't wait to get those. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this box, but let's move on to the next specialty box. Again, the same packaging. And this is the chai box. I love chai tea. So here's a card here. It says, made for chai lovers. Looking for a way to warm up this winter? Give these blends a chai. These spice flavors are so powerful they can chase away the winter blues and melt snow during a blizzard. Each of these teas has its own special blend of magic. Delicious whether you want to froth them up with some milk for a latte or twirl in a decadent ribbon of honey for a sweet mug. And I know it says winter on this one, but you can have chai tea all year round, even when it's 92 degrees out like it is here. And then this is what the inside of the box looks like. It's a little different. Let's start off with this. This looks interesting. This is by Tea Pigs. It says drink it raw, 2 biodegradable tea temples, chili chai. And again, there's 2 of these, so 4 total. I'm so intrigued. Tea temples. It says Assam tea with spices and chili. What's special about this tea? This chili chai is a twist on our traditional chai recipe, which has been the Indian drink of choice for many years. Alongside the Assam tea, cardamom pods, chunks of ginger, cinnamon, and vanilla, we have added flakes of chili. This chai is for those of you who don't order korma, I don't know what that means, and plain naan from your local curry house. Our tea temples, we use quality whole leaf only, not the dust around in regular tea bags. Whole leaf is best. A tea-worthy worship belongs in our biodegradable tea temples. Our spacious, transparent mesh bags allow maximum room for perfect infusion. So that is what I was reading from. So there's 2 tea bags in here, 1 sachet per 8 ounces of water. It has high caffeine, and it says, in need of a little fire and spice in your life, this is a classic chai but with an extra kick of chili flakes. This sounds so good. I'm so intrigued, and I like the packaging of them. And there is a 20% off any $40 or more order. Ooh, and the next one sounds so yummy. We have 4 packets here by Pinky Up, vanilla chai, rooibos tea. I looked up how to pronounce this word before. I think rooibos tea with spices. It says dessert, anyone? Looking for that warm, cozy in a cabin, cuddled up feeling? This vanilla chai tea will certainly point you in the right direction. Head for the kettle and relax with this natural caffeine-free blend. It's made with rooibos, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom cardamom pods, clove buds, black pepper, pink pepper, nutmeg, natural flavoring, and stevia extract. And there's 4 of these. It sounds so yummy. Does sound like dessert. This is caffeine free, so that's good for nighttime dessert. Way better than eating vanilla cake or something like that. Maybe I should try that to lose weight, having tea at night. Good idea. But it says, looking for that warm, cozy, cuddled up feeling, this vanilla chai will certainly point you in the right direction. Head for the kettle and relax with this natural caffeine-free blend. And there's a code off for 25%. Ooh, the next one is cool packaging. It looks like we have 3 of these. This is Harry Chapin American Famous Teas. And on the back it says, we have a choice to make each man who dares to drink tea, reaching out his hand, a prophet or just a crazy dreamer of a fool. This is ginger chai tea. It is caffeinated. It's made with ginger, lemongrass, licorice root, peppermint, black pepper, and black tea, and natural flavor. Most of these ingredients are organic. And on here it says high caffeine, and it is 20 cents per 20 pack with this blend. Sold will be donated, 20 cents per 20 pack of this blend will be donated and split between the Long Island Cares Harry Chapin Food Bank and the Harry Chapin Foundation. That's great, and there's also a 15% off code here if you're interested in purchasing. And the last tea is in a bag, so there are some reusable muslin cloth tea bags that are disposable in here, so you can make tea with these. I have a bunch of these downstairs that are great. So this is by Healthy Teas. And on the back it says spice. Ingredients: ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, and cloves. And the directions are to add 1 teaspoon of dried tea per cup. Let steep for 10 minutes and then enjoy. Our teas are vegan, organic, gluten, and caffeine free. And Spice by Healthy Teas, again, caffeine free. Spice is anti-inflammatory, full of antioxidants, and has a warm, soothing taste and aroma. It is particularly good for immunity and great to combat cold and flu season. Awesome, so that was everything. I am really excited to try a lot of these teas. I think probably my favorite one was the one with the high energy one, but I really like this chai tea too, mostly like for the vanilla chai. I think that's what I will have first, but I think they are both great. Again, they have other special edition boxes out that they're launching, so I'm going to link sipsby down below. And also, if you love tea, you should think about subscribing, because it is a great way to try new teas. Again, all the information will be down below, but thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I'd love to hear what one you think is better. If you go on their website, what box like you would get if you were purchasing one. Have a great day, stay safe, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!